But let's see how that yellow goes in comparison. So here's the yellow. Huh. Okay, so if I say, yeah, okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on the camera. So the bottom one is the Decomex, top is Qualtex. They're very similar, except I want to say that the Decomex is just a shade more powdery, meaning there's still that vibrancy, don't get me wrong, but it is more of a canary. Like they added just that pinch of something to it that if you had them separate, you probably wouldn't be able to tell too much of a difference. But this one just has a little bit more of a pastel touch to it than the Qualtex. I do like it. I'm not. I mean, again, they're so similar that unless you have them right next to each other under this kind of lighting, where I have one light behind me, two lights on either side, one light there, one light there, ceiling lights, I don't think you could tell. Would I use them on the same project next to each other? Probably, but under this light, there's definitely something a little bit different. It's just maybe a little bit more pastel, where this is a little bit more sharp. If you know what I'm saying.